Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart the VIVO V50e. Okay, so we can begin. Basically there are two methods how we can restart this device, and of course I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first method, which is recommended when we have access to the phone works properly, it's not lagging, and it's responsive, and that method is simply by the power menu. To launch the power menu, we need to use the two button combination, tap power button and the volume up, just like that. And now all you need to do is to simply tap on restart, then your screen will go black, and within a few seconds your phone will be turned on automatically and then ready to use again. But there's also the second method, just like I said, and it's called the force restart. And this method is recommended when the phone is unresponsive, it's lagged or frozen, and it's not basically working properly. And to do it, we need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen goes black. So let's perform that action. We need to keep on holding. Don't worry that you have taken a screenshot. Simply hold both of the buttons until the screen goes black. Okay, now you can release your fingers and after you feel a little vibration. And now, just like in the previous case, wait a few seconds. Now your phone will be turned on automatically and ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.